Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on OnePlus 15. Alright, we have 2 methods how we can do it, so let me show you. Open up your settings, scroll all the way down until you find System and Update, and now click on Backup and Reset. First click on Backup and Migrate, that's the first method, and here we are going to use the local backup. In my case, the clone phone isn't working in the proper way, because basically when we click on that, we want to select that this is the old device and we would like to send this data into another device. But when I'm downloading the clone phone app on any other device, the only option that I have is also sending the data, not receiving it. So we are stuck and we cannot receive the data on a second device. In my case, of course, maybe in your it will, you can try it. I'll show you the local backup though. Simply tap on that and click on New Backup. Now select the things that you would like to backup. In my case, I want everything except the apps, so I will unselect them and now click on Start. The process has now started. Be aware that this backup is the local one, so for example, if we reset our device, we will also lose our backup. So now I will show you how you can copy that backup, for example, into your PC or computer, and you'll be able to store it there, and even after the reset, later you'll be able to restore that backup. I'll show you how to do it. In here we also have an instruction how to perform that. So now I will launch my computer and I'll see you on my desktop and I'll show you further steps. Okay, now we need to connect our phone into our computer using the USB-C cable. So simply connect both devices to each other. Now, actually it should have started loading currently. Okay, now it will work. In my case, this option didn't want to launch, so I had to open up the developer options. To do it, you need to go into About Device, scroll down, tap on the version, and now you need to tap on the version number a few times until you see a notification on the bottom that you are now a developer. Then go back into System and Update and enable developer options. Scroll down a little and enable USB debugging. Now open up the notification bar, click on charging this device via USB, select file transfer / Android Auto. Now I also need to verify by typing my screen lock. Okay, and now on our PC, open up your file explorer, click on your OnePlus 15, now internal shared storage, Android, data, and now find the folder backup restore. Here it is. Now click on backup, data, and in here we have that backup that we have just created. So we can copy it into our computer, simply grab it. And in my case, I have created a folder on my desktop that I have called OnePlus Backup. So I will know that my backup is right in here. Okay, it's copying. Alright, and now our backup is stored on our computer. Alright, that was the first method. Now I'll show you the second one. Okay, and for the second method, again, go into Backup and Reset, and now this time we are going to use our Google account to create a backup. It will be stored in the cloud. So click on your Google account. Now, when it comes to the backup details, make sure that photos and videos and other device data are enabled. If they are not, simply tap on them and enable them right in here. And also right in here. Down below, we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore our backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see on the screen, on your device, of course. Okay, now to create a backup, simply hit this green button. Now draw your lock screen pattern, if you have one, or type the password. Okay, in here, in that place, a small circle appeared, as you can see, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification under other device data if everything goes fine. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, and just like I was saying, we can see in that place that everything went successfully. The backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so that's a confirmation that everything go just like it should. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.